Arwaru a murimu wa higo matirethaga uteithio wa urigitio thibitari-ini cia guku Nairobi, kuna thibitari wa Embu General no abatire twikiro iria gavana wa kaunti aroiga marirumbuyagia murimu ucio makiria.
Nurigitagwa thibitari ya Teaching and Referral Hospital, yani thibitari kuria madaktari makathomagĩra arengi na paramedics na nwayo kesi kari bago kuma madaktari maria mengi region yetu ya Eastern.
When you take a patient to an ICU, it costs them an arm and a leg. So we are happy to be able to provide this service to people at an affordable and accessible kind of scenario.
Thibitari ucio ni uriheanaga mathomo ma urigiti kuria Vice Chancellor wa University ya Embu Daniel Mugendi oigite ni mambitie mihango ya mathomo macio.
Dunia thienga thiguru ya proya wana kuthomithia na toa adwa madaktari na wale maina magraduate
nikenda tumbe kuthomithagiria madaktari guku and all the other paramedics, people working in the hospital makathomithagiria guku to collaborate na university.
Waboro igite ni mekunyitanira na thibitari nene ya Kenyatta hamwe na arigitania kuma bururi wa India niguo gutigirira arwaru murimu wa higo hamwe na gitiganite ni maheo tungata mugashiru.
Na madaktari tukuvanga nao twambiririe na kidney transplant mwezi wa gatano kana wa gatandatu.
Ni tukuthomithia twina nurses already riu maria matibo ni mandagitari na within another year or so we will also have those ones on the facilities here, including classrooms na all the other facilities needed are there, but we already have the nurses going on.
Mashini cia ICU na HDU ni itwaritwo thibitari-ini ucio niguo kugacirithia mihango ya urigiti. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.